my channel. Make sure to subscribe right here, right now, if you want to see more DIY decor, DIY party props, and event design with a sprinkle of balloon decor. Alright guys, so today I am very excited because I'm collaborating with Soto Revelry to make these amazing DIY yard dominoes. They are going to be making a blog with a B with all the written stuff that you guys are always asking me to do and I never do. So they're going to have all the information written for you on their blog. And I'm going to be making a blog with a V with all the details video-wise. This summer DIY is great for the entire family to enjoy and also great to give for Father's Day. Alright guys, let's get started. Here we go. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using wood planks to make my dominoes. The one that you see here is 6 feet long. It's 6 inches by 6 feet. And I'm making all of my pieces 1 foot long. And we are going to need 28 pieces. So I'm going to get 6 out of this plank right here. So I'm going to need, since I need 28 pieces, I'm going to need 5 planks. So I'm going to start by marking each foot on the plank and then I'm going to cut. Turns out that this plank is actually 6 by 8. The guy at Home Depot told me it was 6 by 6. It kind of did look kind of long, but who am I to question? Plus it was $5, so hey. Anyway, let's move on. I'm going to be using my round saw to cut the plank. You can always use a hand saw or ask the guys at Home Depot to cut it for you. And you probably have to do a lot of waiting and begging, but if you get a round saw, after you get over the panic and the overwhelming feeling that, oh my gosh, this is a power tool and it can cut me or hurt me, it is very easy and so cool. Alright, so here is my first pile of wood. And in case you never played dominoes before, you are going to need 7 of these planks per number. And that's going to be 0, although 0 is not a number, is it? No, I don't think so. So you're going to need it from blank or 0 to 6. So you are going to need 6 0, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. And then you're going to go down with the 5. And then with the 4s and with the 3, 2, and 1. And then you are going to need zeros. 0 1, 0 2, 0 3, 0 4, 0 5, 0 6, and then 0 0. All right, so that's how it goes. Next, I'm going to be staining my pieces of dominoes. Well, my pieces of wood because it's not a domino yet. I'm going to be using Berrytain Premium Wood Stain. I got it from Home Depot. And this is supposed to dry 3 times faster. And it dries within an hour, which is great. So I can just go ahead and do it and move on with my day. And I'm going to be using a foam brush to place the stain on the pieces. And I mean, you don't really have to go by anything. You can just use an old sock or a piece of cloth, anything that's going to absorb the stain so you can place it on here. All right, let's get started with that. Make sure you clear the pieces from any sawdust. I do not like this color. Oh no. All right, I do have another stain inside the house. I'm gonna grab that one and I'll be right back. Alright, so I found this Summer Oak. It's the same brand. It has the same effect of 1 hour. And it's just a lighter color. Okay, so now I'm going to let this dry for about an hour or 2. I mean, an hour is enough according to the can. But I think I'm going to go ahead and have some lunch. So I'll see you in a bit. Now that my pieces are nice and dried, I am going to divide them into 2 sections with a ruler and a paint marker. And I'm using the color white. Okay, so for some reason, I cannot find a regular ruler and I have a million of them. So I have to use this monster right here. You know how it goes when you're looking for something. Anyway, I am going to separate it evenly, so you're just going to go ahead and draw a line in the middle of that. that I separated the pieces that I have here so far in half, now I'm going to paint on the numbers. And what I'm going to use is a sponsor brush. It's a foam brush that is round. And I'm going to also use a metallic ice blue color for all the numbers. On Soda Revelry's blog, they have different colors for each number, which is beautiful and nice and colorful for the summer. But since I'm using these dominoes to give to my husband for Father's Day, I am using this metallic ice blue color that I absolutely love. Look how pretty it is. I'm going to start with the 6 family. I'm going to start with the 6-6, and I am going to just press it here lightly. Okay, and then you are going to press it down, and then a little bit of circular. I am totally eyeballing this, so feel free to measure it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, just make it with love. It's the thought that counts, unless you're giving me a gift. You gotta be thoughtful. When I give gifts, it's the thought that counts. When I receive gifts, you better be thoughtful. That's so funny. So serious. Alright guys, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you did, and make sure to comment. Let me know your thoughts about this project. Let me know if you would like to see more videos like this or not. Make sure to share with your friends and family members. Alright guys, until next time.